Hello and welcome back to UpThink, a channel that builds and produces content about fun tips and tricks about life. We are so excited to see you here once again. But before that, remember to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell below to tune in to our next videos. Habits are essential to our health, from when we wake up in the morning until the evening when we go to sleep. They make and break the chances of achieving our lifetime goals, such as sticking to an eating plan, exercising regularly, managing medical conditions, increasing the quality of life, and promoting longevity. In comparison, bad habits can increase the risk of diabetes and other illnesses. In today's video, we will be talking about the top 10 fundamental habits that will enhance your life. Number 1. Create a morning routine. Waking up early is one of the many things in this world that can improve your life. It is also setting up a morning ritual and doing similar things orderly. Having a to-do list in the morning will give you the motivation and the enthusiasm to take you throughout the day. This will kick out the procrastination, which often makes you feel overwhelmed and paralyzed and want to do for the next step. Aside from a to-do list, a morning exercise such as a run or a healthy breakfast can leave you supercharged. However, if the great outdoors isn't for you, then some morning meditation and yoga would do. Also, read an inspiring book for 30 minutes, shower, and read the news as you drink your coffee. A morning ritual helps you kickstart your day in a dynamic mode that will impact you positively. After all, every single person in this world is a creature of habit, and we should continue doing it, especially if it gives us pleasure. Number 2. Follow the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule is that 20% of you do results in 80% of your outcomes. In other words, a small percentage of causes can have an outsized effect. This concept is vital to understand because it can help identify which initiatives to prioritize so you can make the most impact. This means that your to-do list is essential, but the task that creates the most impact deserves your time and energy. If you focus on 20%, then you have already maximized productivity and have the freedom to focus on other activities on the same to-do list. This can help people who are easily distracted and overwhelmed by the immense workload. Number 3. Learn to single task. We may assume that multitasking comes naturally because we live in a big, beautiful city. However, only 2% of people in the world can multitask successfully. Multitasking occasionally is acceptable. However, the constant juggling of tasks can limit your focus. In return, it can contribute to mental clutter and make it difficult for your brain to filter out irrelevant information, making your brain prioritize from one task to another without focusing properly on either one. A Stanford University study concluded that multitasking can lower efficiency and impair cognitive control. Instead of multitasking, choose one thing on your to-do list and give it your full time and attention until you are done. One of the immediate visible results is that you feel less stressed and restless. In return, decreasing the probability of making mistakes can make you more productive. Single tasking will make you realize that when you're less stressed, you will lessen your mistakes and become more beneficial. Comment below if you have done the first few steps and tell me how it changed your life forever. When good habits are learned, repeated, and acquired, they start to occur automatically. Humans rely on habits because they play an essential role in performing many actions in our daily life and saving us time and energy. Number 4. An attitude for gratitude. Are you grateful for what you already have? You may be riding a bike to work and not that car you have been dreaming about, but are you thankful that you got the means of getting to work? Legs to pedal, a job, and despite the high rate of unemployment, always remember that some people have it worse than you and they are equally grateful. Constantly practicing the art of gratitude should be the motto. Tony Robbins, an American author, philanthropist, and life coach said, "When you are grateful, fear disappears and abundance grows." Practicing gratitude is an excellent way of bringing positivity into your life. It will help reduce stress and improve your mental health. How can you cultivate this healthy habit? For a start, you can take 10 minutes daily and focus on what you're grateful for, writing 3 things daily, dwelling in their magnificence, and celebrating their gift. Your existence is already a miracle, and what are the odds of you being born over a quadrillion options? Number 5. Take time off social media. The digital world comprises over 90% of our planet. Every time something new is trending online, maybe you're catching up on a trip someone went on, or someone bought a new house. Some of the information shared online can impact you positively or negatively. It doesn't matter how positive it is. Sometimes you can be so consumed with social media, you lose touch with reality. Remember how time-consuming it is. Research said that the average person has 5 social media accounts and spends 2 hours checking their social media feed daily. This can also be linked to many depression cases due to mental clutter. A social media detox seems to be the only reasonable remedy for such a situation to reduce stress levels. Just switch off your phones and other devices for a few hours every day to improve your mood and reconnect with the world around you. Number 6. Exercise daily. One should set aside 15 to 30 minutes a day for exercise. Countless benefits come with exercising. Besides the physical benefits, exercise helps regulate creativity and enhance your cognitive skills. Exercise can also decrease the risk of developing a severe medical issue. Exercising doesn't have to be boring. It can be something other than carrying heavy equipment at the gym. It can involve fun activities that you do for fun, like dancing around the house, playing with your pet, or even taking a walk with a friend. Fitness gurus attest that starting their fitness journey was the most challenging task. The first month of creating a new fitness habit may seem demanding, but making a commitment will help you in the long run. Your social behavior will improve, your appetite will be normal, digestion will be seamless, you will have better sleeping habits, a better memory. The list of benefits go on and on. If you're currently not in the habit of exercising, you can start gradually with minor, achievable exercises. Imagine only doing 10 jumping jacks before you shower every day. What would happen if you did this for a year? Here's a tip. Exercising outside will not only give physical benefits to your body, but also the mind and soul. Comment down below the 3 things that you're grateful for every morning, and who is your favorite workout guru on YouTube. Putting yourselves in a place of abundance rather than scarcity is a great way to start your day. Do you want to know the possible benefits of establishing a self-care routine? Then let's get back to the video. Number 7. Invest in self-care. Sometimes we get so absorbed with work that we forget to care for ourselves. It can be school, looking after your family, running your business, and even a job keeping you preoccupied. However, sometimes it can be a good idea to sit back and relax. Taking some time off to unwind can do wonders for your mood and mental health, but also for your self-esteem. This can be done by doing something that makes you feel good, such as watching vlogs, listening to music, learning a new skill online, having a bubble bath, or even cooking a nice meal. Just take some time off and have fun. Number 8. Read books. There are great benefits in stimulating your brain daily. Though some are not instantly obvious, science has proven that our brain changes as we learn. Without exercising the brain, our brain tends to slow down, become less responsive, and become more prone to disease over time. Reading books is a fantastic way to gain knowledge and stimulate creativity. Just like meditation, it gives off a calming effect and improves focus. Not all books have the same impact. Non-fiction books are excellent in broadening your horizons by motivating you and entertaining new ideas. Since they are based on real-life situations, they offer actionable advice when overcoming all types of challenging problems. It's been proven that people who continually learn have faster responses, better social skills, and better well-being. It can also help fight dementia by improving memory skills, making it easier to process new information, and making you more productive. The idea of learning something new gives you a new sense of purpose and makes you more of an interesting person. To ease into this habit, go read a book and take time off social media. You can also set a reminder on your phone at 20 minutes before you sleep. Make time for this habit. Lastly, enjoy the wonders of reading a good story. Comment down below your top 5 book recommendations. Reading a book is almost similar to being on a blind date. It can either be a hit or a miss. But the best part is transporting yourself to a new world of possibilities, engaging with the characters, and surprising yourself with every plot twist. Reality may be weirder than fiction, but don't ever forget that each of us is the main character of our story. Number 9. Create connections with good people. As much as you may enjoy your alone time, did you know that you need solid social ties and community support to add more days to your life? Mutual connections not only gives us pleasure, but also influence our long-term health. It is as important as nutrition, sleep, and exercise. Relationships are as important to us as food to our bodies. As you do this, be mindful of the individuals you associate with. They should also have a positive approach towards life and the journey towards one. You are the average of the 5 people you spend time with, so you should avoid picking up any bad habits in the name of socializing. The ones you love and care for must be on top of that list, since they are the ones we lean on when stress arrives and life becomes hectic. It doesn't matter what you are working and focusing on in life as long as you organize your priorities. Think about this. When was the last time you said, "I love you and appreciate you"? Do you have a bad habit of pushing your loved ones away when more important things arise? Time with your loved ones must be treasured. You do not have to wait until a problem arises. Most relationships start happily and have the desire to show love with one's company. That is not all. Being mindful of every human interaction positive is key. How do you want to be remembered when your time on Earth ends? Be in the habit of being with people in a more joyous state. Number 10. Practice minimalism. Don't worry, I'm not telling you to clear out your stuff and live a hippie lifestyle. Nothing is wrong with that, but having many things can have a negative impact on your life. We have the habit of collecting, displaying, moving, collecting, and adoring stuff. We'll come to know that this thing doesn't necessarily make us happy, but wastes our time sorting them out. Minimalism is a health and wealth thing. As you get rid of stuff you don't need or use, you are left with an uncluttered and simple environment in life. It's the art of using simple tools, keeping a simple wardrobe, carrying less, and living lightly. Life is short, and it can be hectic with sensory overload. Imagine all the distractions of relationships, irrelevant things, work, and the stress of bills. Minimalism offers the opportunity to move the focus from possessions and tasks to family enjoyment. Minimalism does declutter your life and gives you more room for things that can make you happy. As you spend less buying and replacing items, you're saving more. Your wealth will increase and also your time. A minimalist lifestyle can make your home easier to clean, time easier to manage, and life easy to live. The bonus takeaway: keep your priorities straight. It is not always easy to figure things out, but you can always have a start by gradually improving. It's time to win at life. Thank you so much for watching our video, and I hope you'll find the value of having habits that positively impact your life through this video. This is UpThink, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!